Hello everyone, good morning and welcome to On Board. This is our day 2 session for our AWS and DevOps journey. In the day 1, okay, let me go to the syllabus of day 1. In the day 1, we have already seen about the course overview. About the overview of the course, we have already seen it, what exactly we are going to learn, what exactly our team is, what exactly our learning path is. As well as we have seen it into the Naukri that how many openings are there, okay. Those who missed it, no worries, at the end of this session or I will give the recording as well, you can have a look. Okay, no need to worry for that part. And in the today's agenda, we are coming into the day 2. In the day 2, we will talk about the cloud, we will talk about the servers, we will talk about the data centers, and primarily our today's agenda will be to see a big picture of the DevOps tool. Okay, that's the today's agenda. Okay, and I want to show one practical as well. The big picture of the DevOps tools means what will be the benefit if you will use the DevOps tool, what will be the benefit and why the companies are adopting to use the DevOps tool. Okay, that's our today's agenda. Cool. Okay, and guys, I just want to know about the last class. Have you understood the class? Just a small feedback. Raise your hand and let me know, please. Gayatri, go ahead, please. Have you seen it? Sajal, have you seen it? You have to say unmute and you have to say yes or no.
I'm sorry. Yeah, yes, sir, I understood.
Okay.
You have gone through the basics and what we are gonna learn in this 2.5 month course, and how we are gonna adapt to this course, and how we will get placed in industries.
Okay. Cool.
And all those things.
Cool. That's fine. Thank you. Okay. Anyone? One more person, please. Unmute and let me know. Yes, Sajal. Go ahead.
Same thing, Vikas. And you also told us how this will help us and to change to grow further in your career and
Obviously.
aspirations.
Yes, cool, sure. Okay, and after the today's class or after this foundation means within 3 days, okay, or within 2.5 days, you will understood what exactly you have to learn. Okay, means in the today's class itself, I will show the last day architecture diagram. Okay, in the last day architecture diagram means what exactly the 3-tier application we are going to develop. Okay, this is also we will see into the today's part. Okay, means very high level means how the architecture will be there. Okay, so we don't have to waste our much time and we have to start our things. Okay, and in the day 2, our actual plan is, I hope you are very clear about this image. It has total 9 modules. Okay, 9 modules has been distributed to complete our syllabus or to make you the cloud or DevOps engineer. Okay, 50 hours, yes, 50 to 60 hours I will be with you. Okay, definitely like this live recordings. Okay, 40% theory, I will speak 40% theory, 60% my practical will say. Okay, learn cloud computing and DevOps. Yes, we are going to teach you the cloud computing, what exactly the cloud is and what exactly the DevOps is. This is our bigger picture agenda. Okay, real-time projects will be there for sure, because after that definitely you want to go to the company and you want to do the actual work, so that very first day if you will land it into any of the company, you will not feel new or you will not feel that I don't know anything. You will feel that I know everything. Now you have to understand into the real terminology as well. Okay, because this is also real, but this is my application is really very big. Okay, in the companies also the project 2. Okay, the project 2, if anyone want to see the recording of that, let me know. I will share it to you. Okay, the project 2 is really very big. It's a we can say the replica or the clone of Flipkart application itself. Okay, it's a replica of Flipkart application, and Flipkart is a very big company. Okay, the project 3, the 3-tier application, which is using 40 plus different modules into the AWS cloud. And you can go and check it in your company as well. If any of the application is running on AWS, it doesn't have 40 plus resources or 40 plus services used by the cloud. Okay, no. And that I will create with the help of Terraform. Means everything is a code. With the help of code, we are going to develop it. Okay, and you will understand, trust me, you will understand each and everything whatever I will say to you. Okay, workshops will be there on the holidays. Okay, interview preparation, resume making, and what we can say of the recordings, PPTs, everything is for you, not for me. Okay, it's not useful for me. PPTs and recordings are for you only. Okay, if you miss anything, I am uploading, I can show it to you. Okay, Here is that where I have uploaded the drive. Okay, demo drive, demo videos. Okay, here I have already uploaded day one. I will give the access for this thing to you. Okay, so that you can automatically you can see the videos as well, everything. Okay, this is yesterday night I have uploaded because some editation took a time. Okay, it may create good things as well. Okay, some what we can say edits happen. Okay, and it is of 800 MB and it will come to you as soon as I will give the access for this folder. Cool. Cool. We don't want to waste the time and we have to start. It's 11:11. Okay, and we are starting. Cloud computing and different varieties of cloud. Okay, if I will ask the question with you guys, what you understand or what you feel about cloud? Okay, I will ask that question. No need to worry. But before going into the cloud, what was earlier? Okay, what you have to understand. So the cloud came into the picture. You will understand the thing. Okay, as you know, in lots of big companies, okay, there will be a data center or where the data or where the servers has been kept. That place is known as data center. What exactly the data center approach is, I am going to teach to you. If the data center is there, if any of the problem happen into the data center, what will be the solution? That also, Rashmi, mute yourself if you don't want to say anything. Mute yourself, please. What exactly, if any of the issue happen into the data center, what will be the solution? Okay, and challenges with the data center, if how to develop this thing. Okay, this is what I will tell you. Problem with the traditional IT approach or problem with the data center we are discussing. Okay, so before going into the cloud, my intention is first understand the things what was before cloud, because if I will tell you very frankly, cloud adoption happened 5 years back only. Okay, before that, this was the data center. Every company has a plan to create it, but now every company is not creating it. They are keeping their data into the primary clouds. Okay, cool. But before going into that part, let me create a one scenario so that you will understand. Okay, I want to talk with the experienced people. How many experienced people are here? Just raise your hand. More than 4 years, 5 years experience. Sejal, Anubik. Okay, cool. 2 persons are there, 3 persons are there. Okay, Sadhvi. Okay, 3 persons are there who has a experience. Guys, if I will give a requirement to you, there is a bjshub.com. I will give this domain to you and you have to develop a website of the BJSHub website plus server or website code. I will give it to you. Okay, the code of website I will give it to you, but you have to create a server or you have to create a system administration work so that website will work. How much time you need to create this infrastructure, or one small website, how much time it required to create it? Rajesh, Ritu, guys, give the answer. No. Raising hand is not the solution. Answers also I need it. Arey, unmute and tell me, please. Guys, is I am audible, right?
Vikas, can you repeat the question, please?
Very bad, Rajesh. Okay, see, my question is, let's assume I'm giving a requirement or I'm creating a scenario here. Okay, the question is, if I will give a requirement, you have to develop a one web server. Okay, web server website, and I will give the web server code to you. Okay, and you have to create an infrastructure and the website should run on that infrastructure. How much time you required, or how many resources or how much money you required to create this infrastructure for me as a system administrator, or as a anything, whatever you feel that, as a system manager, whatever you feel that.
In a guess, I would say, because I'm from non-IT background.
At least some
okay.
guess it or some technical things,
Okay.
some answers.
So I would take 45 days to 60 days.
Okay.
With the resources of 3 people. And okay, I am now, it's just a guess.
And you will build and you will give me a bill of 5 lakh rupees, right?
Maybe.
Okay, very costly. Your tender has been rejected. Guys, anyone else? Anyone else? I'm giving a tender. You have to manage a website, bjshub.com. Guys, give the answer. Please try the answer. Anwar, go ahead.
Maybe 2 weeks.
Okay, 2 weeks. Okay, and how much is your tender cost? I'm giving the code. Means web developer, I already have. We have the code ready. Yeah. Okay, it is working. Infrastructure and infrastructure maintenance, you have to take care.
Okay, maybe 3 lakhs.
3 lakhs. Okay, fine. Very high. Sorry, sir. I don't have that much budget also. I'm very frank. Go ahead. Anyone else?
1 week.
Okay, Shubhankar, 1 week. Okay, and how much is the cost?
Maybe 1 to 2 lakh.
Okay, chalo. I'm okay. Anyone better offer than Shubhankar? Nirja, you want to give? You want to say something? Okay, chalo. 2 lakhs and 1 week. Okay, Shubhankar, I want to talk more about you because I'm interested in your offer because yours is the lowest offer. Okay, cool. Shubhankar, how you will work it? Guys, help him, Shubhankar. Okay, how you will provide a complete website to me? Guys, you have to think it. If you will think it, then only you will understand the things from the scratch. And we are here to learn the things from the scratch itself. Very zero level, very basics, but very high level things. Okay, this is what I want to teach you. And you are not watching any YouTube video. You are not watching anything recorded videos, right? If you will interact with me, we will go into the next level all. Okay, that's why I want everyone not to talk directly. Okay, mute and talk with me. Yeah, go ahead, please. Shubhankar, yeah, go ahead, please. Give some answers.
Maybe with 2-3 resources or with the help of 2-3 people.
Okay, cool. Okay, and 1 week or 2 weeks is required for you, right?
Yes,
What these
yes.
2-3 people will do? I'm your client. You have to provide the information. What you will do with the 3 people?
They will help me to execute the process.
Which process?
Means the work that were assigned to us.
Okay, chalo. Okay, fine. What else? Guys, anyone more experienced, 10 years, 12 years person? Because you will get this type of questions if you have a 10 years plus experience.
What is the question? Could you please repeat?
Sunil, very bad. You have to develop a BJSHUB website. Wait, I'm telling you have to develop a BJSHUB website.com. I do have the BJSHUB website code available with me, but you are the system administrator. You have to manage the infra. How you will provide the information to me?
So basically, so suppose this is an API which I have developed, and
Okay.
you're hitting the API. Suppose any host port, then we just hub kind of.
You are going into the wrong direction. Okay, you are going into the wrong direction. Chalo, let me give the answer. Okay. See, if you get a requirement, first you will think about the infrastructure. Means you will think about the system admin team who will perform this all activity. Okay, and you will think about the data center or some hosting provider where you will put my server, put the BJSHUB website servers. Okay, the virtual machines or whatever the servers databases are required, you will put into that place. Okay, so you will come with me, sir. Tell me your requirement, how much the traffic will come or how much load you are want to put it into that. Accordingly, you will go for the shopping. You will upfront, you will ask some money with me, and you will tell that, sir, we have to purchase a server. This servers, the range of these servers are available according to your requirement, according to your traffic, how many people are coming into that part. We will purchase the shopping. We will go for the shopping, and minimum $3,000, minimum $4,000 will be you will charge for me for the only for the one server. Okay. And secondly, first approach, you will say that, okay, sir, if you want to develop in our environment, we will go for this place and we will purchase it. And definitely it will require a 1 week time for you to go purchase and bring it all the things and then set up the things. Okay. After that, you will put the operating system into it, and then you will install the web server, all web server, app server, and then you will put the code, and then only with the help of some domain provider, it will be accessible over the internet. Okay. And definitely it will require a 1 week time. Shopping approach. Second approach, another approach is like you will go to some data center where the data center peoples are already available. You will tell him that, sir, we have a requirement, this thing, can you give your quotation? They will give the quotation and you will charge again to me, sir, they are asking that much money for your service, you have to pay. If you will approve that amount, then only we will pay, and it will come, they will allow us to work on that part. Okay, another approach. Third approach, renting. You will take the renting on the some OVOH, some physical servers website is there. You will go into that path. Again, the quotation thing will happen and they will approve. You will approve and you will charge me. Then only your work will get to start. Okay. These are the things means system administration people will do. Okay. To achieve the things. Okay. But if let us assume anything, you did everything. Okay. You set up everything, all working. Okay. For 1 week or 2 weeks. Okay, it was working from 1 week. After, Navya, mute yourself, please. after the 15 days, everything is working fine, but suddenly something happened wrong. Okay, some equipment failure happened, communication, internet is not working, sir, there is no electricity there. Okay, network congestion, lots of traffics are coming, any of the problem is happening. What is the solution? You have to run into this servers, okay, and you have to make the solution. You have to find out the solution. If it's feasible, you can achieve with the help of software. You will achieve. If any of the hardware failure, again it will go for some repairing, okay, or my website will be down. Agree with my point? Navya, mute yourself. If you will unmute again, I will remove you. Okay, guys, getting my point? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, yes, yes.
Agree? Any of the small problem will be there. You have to go. The solution is you have to go into the data center. Either it's in your company, either it's in some home, it's in your it's in your office, wherever. Right now, everyone is working remotely. If I will tell to anyone that you have to go to the Bangalore to solve that, it will be required minimum 12 or 24 hours to go. That time my website will be down. Right? It's a business loss for me. Agree? Yes or no? Okay.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Yes, Vikas.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So, chalo, one thing. Okay. One part. Second part, everything is working good. Another scenario, guys. Okay. Everything is working good. You achieve, fixed problem has been fixed. After 1 month, I'm launching a new batch or I'm launching something new thing. Okay. And that time I am aware, I'm the client, I'm the business owner. I know that some more traffic will come in these days for sure. Okay. And who is my system admin again? System admin, please raise your hand. Who will take this requirement from me? Rajesh, you, or who want? Guys, unmute and talk with me, please. Sunil. Sunil, Rajesh, whoever is raising the hand, you are my system admin. I am giving one more requirement to you. At this time, you are running our servers on 4 GB RAM or 4 CPU. You have to increase to the 32 GB or 32 CPUs. 32 GB RAM or 32 CPUs. What will be your solution? Because my business is going to be increased. Guys, give me the answer.
Because we have to increase the RAM and storage.
You will again ask a bill to me. You will again say that, sir, you have to approve this much amount. We will go for the shopping. We will purchase again and we will fit into this place. Right?
Yes.
Correct.
Correct. Okay. Or otherwise, in one approach, if it's in our data center, you will say that, sir, we have to, obviously, we have to purchase it our own. Okay. And we will buy and we will add into the server. First approach. Second approach, you will raise, if it's a hosting provider, okay, you will raise a support ticket and you will expect a return, expect a answer or solution or response from the provider that, sir, within 15 to 12 hours, they will provide a response and they will send the engineer or they will resize the part. Okay. But again, before that, they will send a bill. If you will approve the bill, they will send the engineer and they will resize your server. Okay. Third approach. Okay. Third approach, which is we are going to learn it. What exactly it is? If you want to increase the server or RAM, you have to just shut down your machine, just single click, shut down the machine and change the instance in some click and it will be up for you with the high RAM. Okay, this is the way cloud came into the picture because things are very easy. We don't have to run. If it's on a cloud provider, okay, we don't have to run. The cloud team is already sitting there. Okay, the provider team is already sitting there. They will do it and we can do or we can achieve everything with our single clicks. Okay, that I am going to teach you in some couple of minutes only. Okay, are you able to understand the problems? Are you able to understand the solution theoretically?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Okay, cool.
Yes, Vikas.
And you will see the practicals in some couple of minutes only. Okay, guys, if you are creating your data center in your own environment or in your company, you have to pay the rent of the data center. You have to pay the bill or electricity of the or electricity, cooling or maintenance of the data center, adding or replacing of hardware, any of the hardware related changes, upgradation, degradation. Okay, let's assume upgradation is okay. You want to upgrade it. Praveen, mute. Upgradation is okay. Okay, if you want to degrade, let's assume that you are running into the 32 GB RAM and this 32 GB is not useful for you. The traffic is not that much. What will be the solution? The solution is the resources are getting wasted. right? The resource are getting waste because you have already purchased and you have already put the resource into that part. It will get waste. Scaling is limited from 32 to 64. It will be very difficult. Again, you have to start from the starting, right? We have to hire a 24/7 monitoring team or infrastructure team who will be available into that data center, and he will help you out if anything goes wrong. Okay. How to deal with the disaster, earthquake, power shutdown, or any fire? There is no solution. We cannot deal with the disasters, right? Because if lockdowns happen, none of the team or no one will be available at that place, right? Earthquake happen, power supply gone, fire came, there is no solution. We have to move our data center from one place to another in that case. Okay, physically that is not possible. Or guys, any of the problem happen into your data center, you only have to solve it. Agree?
Yes.
Okay, anything goes wrong, you are the person who has to fix it. Okay, anything, if any of the team is not available, power supply, any of the issue, you have to struggle a lot into this place. Okay, engineers are really struggling like this. These are the real pictures. Okay, and engineers, IT engineers or infrastructure people are sleeping there as well. Okay, if any of the disaster happen, this is the real image. Okay, if not a proper management, yes, these are the images are real itself. Okay, so these are the solution with the, these are the problem with the traditional IT approach. If you create your own data centers, okay, first thing, the costing is very high. Nothing will happen in guys 3 lakhs or 5 lakhs. Okay, none of the server will be ready. Okay, and you have to pay a big amount to them. There is one funny video is also there about the cloud. Okay, I will give this link to you, must watch. Okay, you will enjoy some 4 minute really, and then my video is will give you the real picture what exactly it is. Okay, anyone here who saw this video?
Yes, Vikas, I have seen.
Okay,
I
cool.
have seen
5 years back, for a few years
Yeah,
back,
yeah.
right? Okay, when the cloud
Yes.
was very new and he given the information about the cloud. Okay, cool. Okay, I will give it to everyone. Just watch it. Okay, it will be very funny. Okay, but what exactly the reality the cloud is? Guys, the data center is there. Okay, if we can access someone else data center, someone's provider, that will be a cloud for us. We are here, okay, from our laptop with the help of internet. If I'm accessing someone else data center, this data center has to be managed by someone else. In this data center, servers are there which can be accessed over the internet, that is known as cloud. Okay, primarily it has servers. Okay, what exactly will happen into the server? It can be multiple softwares, it can be multiple applications, it can be databases will be running into this place. Okay, in this server, all the services, they are providing us services to us. Okay, and we are going to use it. Whatever the name we have listened into the AWS, these are the resources or services available into the AWS Amazon Web Service, and we are accessing with the help of internet. Okay, that's why we are telling it's a cloud. Let's read this. Cloud servers are located in the data center over the world. As we know, Amazon, AWS, Amazon, Azure, Google Cloud, they have lots of data centers available, okay, over the world. Okay, in the last class, I show it, right? Lots of places, names are coming. These are nothing but a data center. Let me show it to you guys again. Okay. I'm going into the Amazon. Okay, aws.amazon.com. This is the place. This is the console. This is the URL. Okay, guys, what is console? If anyone can give the answer, what is console? Portal. Yes,
Like a dashboard.
Dashboard. Cool, very good answer. Okay, this is the Amazon dashboard. Okay, I'm logging into the dashboard. Okay, in the Amazon dashboard, as soon as I log in, it will ask me some login. Guys, in the last class, I told about the IAM, very high level, right? Authentication will happen with the help of IAM. Yes, you can see the IAM user, it is asking, and I'm logging. Authentication is happening with the help of IAM. Here, I already use the one service of AWS, that is IAM. Authentication access will be provided with the help of IAM service. In your company, any IAM team is there? Identify and access management team?
Yes.
Okay, what Ravi, what they are doing?
They are providing the accesses for whatever the services they want.
Correct. Okay. And in AWS, that this is a one service. None of the team is there. Everything has to be managed by the help of this service. Okay. How many members in your company for that IM team?
I don't know exactly.
At least the count round of approx.
I think some admins are there, some developers are there for IAM.
Okay, okay, big team kind of. Okay, cool, no worries. But here we DevOps engineer will manage this IAM. I will show. Okay, and where we are, yeah. Okay, whatever the services we are talking about, this all services. Okay, this all services we are accessing with the help of internet. That's why we are telling we are accessing their servers. I'm talking about data center. These are the data centers. With the single click, I can connect to any of the data center with the help of this console or with the help of this portal, the AWS portal, I can access any of the data center. Okay, cool. Let me go more understandable. Okay. By using the cloud computing technology, users and companies don't have to manage physical servers by own. The cloud computing, when the cloud came or it is connecting with the help of internet, so we are telling it's a cloud computing technology. Users and companies don't have to manage their physical server. If I am hosting any of the website, I don't have to hosting website, application, anything. I don't have to host my data center. I can connect to the any of the data center from the Amazon, from the Google Cloud, from the Azure, and I can connect and I can perform the activity. That can be used other servers, means I can use anyone else servers, machines physically or basically. That is known as cloud computing or cloud technology. If I'm accessing someone else machine, that is known as I'm using the cloud computing technology. The cloud is a shorthand, the way expression where the computing resources are hosted. Cloud is a place where the servers are hosted, where the applications, where the databases, or where the storage devices are hosted. That place is known as cloud. Okay, cool. At this point, there are multiple providers are there like Google Cloud, Salesforce, Azure, IBM, Amazon. Okay, and we are using their services. We are using their services means this services I'm talking about. This services, see, if you will see, read here, all services we are talking about, any of we are dealing with this services, that is known as cloud computing. We are using it. Now you understood what is cloud computing or what is cloud?
Yes, because
Yeah, no, go ahead.
actually, we are using the services from the Google, like any of the cloud technology, like Google Cloud or AWS or Salesforce.
Okay. Yes,
So
yes.
they are already having the data centers, right?
Correct.
That we
Yes.
are using.
Correct.
So are those data centers not prone to the outages and all of the problems you mentioned earlier in the traditional approach?
See, if any of the problem will be there, they will manage it. Okay, because their team, everyone is ready, available there. Okay, and they are not managing only small thing. Thousands of different companies are already using it, so they are doing on a very high level scale. They don't have to go for 32 GB RAM purchase, right? They have 3,000 or 30,000 GB of RAMs are already available,
Yeah.
right? If
Yes,
you
yes.
need it, you can use it. Any of the hardware
Yes.
problem is happen, they will not give the time, or they will not, that automatically it will switch into the another hardware. For us, we have only single laptop. Let's take it in our language. Okay, we have a single laptop, right? If the company, if you will, in your company, if your laptop has a problem, they will replace it very quickly. But for our personal thing, we have to think 10 times, that we have to do that much cost and all this thing. We have to purchase a new, we have to go for the repairing. In the repairing, it will take 1 week or whatever it is, right?
What about the natural calamities that you mentioned?
If any of the problem happen into the data centers as well, it's not a single data center, multiple data centers. Our things will be migrated into the another data center already, if any of the things are going to be happen there.
Okay, let's say if we
Anwar,
are using the
Anwar,
data center.
all the answers are there. Just listen for me sometime. You will get your all answers. Okay, wait.
Okay.
Okay, all answers are there. Okay, this is what I want to teach. Okay, what exactly it is, guys? We have a multiple providers. Okay, in the providers we are using their services, that is known as cloud computing. After that, when we'll talk about the cloud, okay, at this point I am talking about the cloud, but in the reality there are multiple varieties of clouds are there. First is public cloud, private cloud, community cloud, and hybrid cloud. Okay, public cloud, you can directly, means you have a AWS account. If you want to go into the public cloud, choose the public VPC and create and use there. Okay, but you feel that in the public cloud multiple another companies resources may also be there. There is another variety of cloud, that is a private cloud. Private cloud means it's a separate dedicated place into the data center. Okay, means you can create your own network, you can create your own regulation, you can create your own flexibility. Guys, understand in a way that someone in a hostel, there is a big hostel. In that hostel, one room is a shared room. Okay, multiple different peoples are staying there. It's a shared room. Okay, elasticity, you can increase or decrease your place, but the flexibility means security will be little bit less. This is a private room into the hostel where you are the dedicated person. You can put your own network, you can put your own logs, and full control over that room is yours. Okay, that is known as private cloud. That another one is a public cloud. It's a community cloud. Let's assume BJS has taken one separate part. In that part, we are telling that it's a community for the BJS, for all the BJS people. Some community people, the owners or admins, will manage that part, and this is the separate cloud for this community. Okay, that is known as community cloud. Another cloud is coming nowadays. What is that? Hybrid cloud means whatever you feel, someone is good into another cloud, someone is good into the another cloud. You can take one resource or some resources from the Amazon, you can take some resources from the Google Cloud and create your own application. That is known as hybrid cloud. Means not single cloud, two different clouds, two different logics, two different things, you can combine it. That is known as hybrid cloud. And our training is on this cloud. Okay, I'm not going to teach only on AWS, I'm going to teach you on AWS plus Google Cloud as well. Okay, so two varieties of clouds will be there for sure. Okay guys, I hope you understood. Public, it's a shared room. Okay, private, dedicated room. Community, dedicated place for the same logics of people. Okay, same intention of people, that is known as community cloud. Hybrid cloud, some resources, some part into the AWS, some part into the Google Cloud, some part into the Azure, or some part into the any other cloud. More than two varieties of cloud will be there. That is known as hybrid cloud. It makes sense? All good? What will be the benefit, disadvantage, advantage? I will come. Okay. If we will see about the public cloud, the cost will be low. If it's a sharing room, guys, in a hostel, if it's a sharing room, the cost will be little bit less. Okay, maintenance, so you don't have to pay about the maintenance, cleaning and all these things into the hostel owners will do that part. Okay, some scalability will be unlimited. Okay, means you can increase it, but there will be a limit that you cannot use more than that part. Okay, high reliability, it will be available for you, but someone can also use your resources. Okay, privacy will be there, but someone also can see the privacy as well, which type of privacy it is. That will happen into the public cloud. When we will come into the private cloud, it's a separate room, your own network, whatever you want, you can do it. In the hostel, private room, you can put your own logs, that will be a complete dedicated for you. No one else without your entry can come. In the cloud, in the private cloud also, dedicated network for you. You will choose your own rules and regulation, who can come inside, who cannot come inside. That will happen into the private cloud. Okay, and every company, wherever you will work, even we will also learn into the private cloud. Nothing we will learn into the public cloud. Everything we will learn into our private cloud. We will create our private cloud and we will learn everything into that, because this is the thing which every company is going to use. Someone who has a very less budget, they can go into the public cloud. Okay, but private cloud is the mostly usable cloud which every company is using it. Okay, and sometime back private, but nowadays it's a hybrid cloud. Private cloud into the Google, private cloud into the AWS, and they are using it. Okay, the reason is, anyone here in your company, you are telling that your application is using two different clouds? Yes, anyone here? Rajesh or Sunil, raise your hand down.
Yeah, it is using here in my company. Like for some applications they are using Azure, and for some applications they are using AWS.
Okay, cool. Yes, means your company is already using the hybrid cloud model, right?
Yeah,
And
based on the application stability,
correct.
the security thing, everything, whatever the clients requires, that way they are taking they're choosing the cloud.
Cool, cool, good, good. Okay. Anyone else want to confirm that you are using the hybrid cloud model? Supriya?
Yes, even in our company, we use Azure and GCP.
Cool. Why? Do you have the answer?
I'm not that sure. So
Okay, I know the answer. See, the reason is if something is good into the Azure, they are using the Azure. If something is good into the Google Cloud, they are using the Google Cloud. We are public, right? What we can say, we are the client, whatever we want, we will take it from any of the cloud provider. These are the cloud providers. Some services are good really in AWS. Some things are cheaper into AWS. Some things are good into the Google Cloud. Some things are good into the Azure. So according to the customer requirement or customer budget, we are choosing the thing. Okay. If I will take into the simple example, guys, okay, leave the cloud. Is we all out of this 35 people, do we have everyone has the same company laptop? I'm using Windows Lenovo.
no.
No,
No.
right? Shriti, which company laptop you have? Gayatri, which company laptop you have?
Infosys.
No, Infosys, Dell, right?
Dell.
Okay, Dell, right?
HP.
HP. Gayatri or someone girl. Okay, Sweetie, let me know why you are using Dell or why you are using HP. There is no reason, right?
Right.
There is no reason, but simply
Company
you feel.
provided.
That's okay, company. If you will go into the market, chalo, Rajesh and me, we both will go to the shopping. Okay, purchase a new laptop. Rajesh will say, sir, I need Dell only. But I will say I need a Lenovo only. There is any reason? No, there is no reason. I feel that the quality of Lenovo is good. Someone feel that the quality of Dell is good. Someone feel that Lenovo is cheaper. Someone will feel that Lenovo is high price, right? So everyone has a mentality, correct? If all companies are providing the same hardware, everyone inside is a Lenovo, everyone inside is a Intel processor, right?
Yeah, but like based on the cost, if you buy bulk, right, HP will give you
no,
less
no
piece,
bulk,
right?
no bulk, no bulk, single piece. I'm talking about single piece. There is a, guys, everyone has a different mentality. Okay, someone looks, feel, lights, colors, or something matters, right? So here also there is a UI is a different, or some things are good into some providers, some things are good into some other provider. Okay, that's why people are choosing according to their requirement or according to their applications. Okay, so we are going to learn AWS plus GCP into the hybrid cloud. Means my some things resources will be into the Google Cloud, my some resources into the AWS as well. Okay, and in my company also it's a hybrid cloud. Okay, we have an application which we have hosted into the different clouds as well. Everywhere the private cloud it is. Cool. Now the benefits of using the cloud. Okay, it will be for every cloud. Okay, don't feel that it's for only public and private cloud, it's for all the cloud. Okay, easily upgradable. If you want to increase the size, it is possible, we can upgrade very easily. Low cost of ownership, we don't have to use the upfront costing or to create our data center. Okay, very low cost, we can take the ownership of the server. It will be always up. There will be a very minimal chances the downtime you will feel, but yeah, always it will be always up. Productivity anywhere you can use. Anyone here out from the outside India? Everyone is from India location at this point. Let's assume someone is already from the another location. Okay, so it can be accessible same for another location as well. Okay, and we can achieve their data center into their location as well. Let's assume, guys, some Atul or some 3-4 people are from the US. Okay, and they are telling that, sir, your BJSHUB website is not accessible very well from the US. Okay, what I can do it? Okay, no problem, I will bring some servers into the US location as well with some few clicks, right? Obviously, it's a costing for me, but my customers are there, my clients are there. I have to provide the solution to them. Okay, it will be very easy. Offsite data storage. You feel that something you are trying to download or you are uploading it, it will be difficult. Okay, and they are from the US and they are uploading into the India data center. It will be difficult, little bit difficult. Okay, or latency will be little bit high. What we can do? Okay, no problem, we will bring the data storage into the US location as well. It will be faster for you. Okay, no maintenance cost. When we will talk about the cloud, we don't have to worry about any of the maintenance, no electricity, no cooling, nothing. Okay, no outsourced team, nothing. We don't have to worry about any of the cloud. Okay, as if, and someone was asking about this question, if any of the disaster will happen, what the cloud people do? It's not our problem, right? If any of the disaster will happen, they will provide a solution to us. Okay, they will, means the cloud provider will provide a solution to us, because they have a multiple data center. They will migrate our things into the another data center at their own risk, or they will guide us how to do that part. If it's our complete private network, we will not allow them to perform any of the activity. They will be with us, they will guide us how to migrate our data center to another location. Okay? These are the benefit we will get it while we will use a cloud. Guys, add some more point if you have anything in your mind or anything you haven't understood. Let me know, please.
Hi Vikas, can you go through offsite data storage once again, please?
Okay, cool, sure, I will go. What else?
Productivity anywhere. Can you please tell me about
Okay,
that?
fine, sure. What else? Guys, add some more points also. Yeah, Rashmi, go ahead.
Data center you are talking about.
Okay, cool, sure, I will go. Okay, let me take this for both. Okay, productivity anywhere means, let assume I am from India. Okay, I have some customers into the US. Okay, I have around, from this group, 34 people. Okay, I have 10 people are from the US. They are always telling that, sir, your website is not working properly from the US location. What is the solution? I will tell, no worries, I will post one more leg or one more variety, same website into the US location as well. And whenever you will hit it, it will reach to the US location only, and you will get a fast response. Okay, that is known as productivity anywhere. Some customers are from the Australia region. They are complaining that, sir, your website latency is not very fast from the Australia region. I will host our servers into the Australia regions as well. And Australian people are telling that, sir, when we are uploading our data or when we are performing any of the activity in your website, it's a little bit slow. Okay, no problem. I will give the offsite data storage for the Australian people as well into the Australia location. For me, it's a single click and I can achieve that part. If it's a physical server, is that possible? We can do that activity for anyone?
No.
No, right? Okay, Australian people, I will say, sir, I have to come to the Australia, I have to set up all these things, and practically is not possible. Very high budget we need, and we don't have the budget. But see, with the help of cloud, it is possible with some clicks. Okay, and with the very minimal cost. I will show everything to you. Okay, in the today's class only. Okay, this benefit you will understand into the today's class itself. Okay, all good now?
Vikas, one question.
Go ahead,
As you compared the physical data center and the cloud data center. In the physical data center, we have disasters happening due to natural calamities and various other reasons.
Correct.
I mean, is there any chances of disaster using the cloud?
Okay, see, I will give the answer. First thing, when they will create their data center, okay, they will not create a data center where the disaster can happen. Okay, means, let assume any of the place where the disaster may happen every 5 years or every 10 years. The cloud provider will not create the data center into that location. Okay, they will choose the best of best location where the disaster will be very minimal. First point, agree?
Yes.
Because they are not creating for one person, they are creating for thousands or 10,000 customers. Okay, so they already knows that part, one part. Okay, secondly, what is our disaster? Water came, and secondly, electricity outage is our disaster primarily. Okay, I will tell you about our company BJS. Okay, 10 years back, what was our problem? What was our disaster? Okay, no electricity into the building. Okay, from the last 8 hours in Bangalore, it's a very common 5 8 hours electricity will go on. Yes or no?
Agree,
right? So when the 5 hours the electricity will be not into the building, the generator gone, our inverter also gone. Okay, then so it's a disaster or it's an outage for us. What was the solution? We will go to the data center, we will go to our BJS office, and we are trying to fix it, but we don't have any solution. If there is no electricity, we can't do anything, we can't generate the electricity, right? So we every year we are thinking that whenever we have a budget, we will increase the batteries. Okay, and at the end, after 2 years, we saw that old batteries again waste. So these are the disaster for us, but these are the problem will not come into the cloud because they have the very ready-made solutions available for this all small problems. Make sense? And the biggest problem what we face with the data center, let's assume we have earlier we have a business office into the HSR layout when we start. Anyone knows from the HSR layout we have started in the Bangalore location in 2011 or 12, we have started from the HSR layout. After in 13, we migrated our data center from HSR layout to the BTM first stage. Okay, and from after 2 years, from BTM first stage to BTM second stage, migration of our data center from one place to another place is also not possible. Agree, guys? Yes or no?
Yes, yes, we can.
Yes.
Right, so that
Yes,
was the
Vikas.
problem we faced it. Okay, so it's not our problem, it's a problem with every small level company, mid-level company, everyone faces this problem. So for them the cloud is the best solution. We don't have to worry for all these things. If any of the disaster will happen, first thing, disaster will not happen into that location because they did a research for the next 10 years or 20 years. Okay, and if anything happen, they have the ready-made solutions available. They have another data center, they can migrate a complete data from one location to another with very minimal steps. Okay, they will migrate it, so disaster recovery will not be there. If any problem happen with the reason, yes, disaster assistance they will provide it. Okay, hope all good now, understandable?
Yes, Vikas, thank you.
Yes.
Okay, now I will show you the very high level architecture diagram of the cloud, how exactly it look like. Obviously the cloud is where the servers, backend, virtual machines, application databases are there, that is known as cloud. Front end will be our laptop, our system. With the help of internet connectivity, if I am accessing these places, is known as cloud architecture for us. If you will see this diagram, with the help of my browser, this is my browser. Okay, with the help of this browser, I am accessing this console and I am using all the services. This is virtual machine, this is database, this is security related things, this is monitoring related things. All these services are just a one click away for me. Okay, this is known as cloud architecture. The cloud architecture will look like this. All the services are into the cloud. With the help of internet connectivity, with the help of browser, I can open this console from my mobile as well. Okay, from mobile internet, with the help of internet connectivity, I can access this place. This is for AWS. Okay, let me go for the Google Cloud as well. Okay, I'm going to the Google Cloud. Same thing, console.cloud.google.com is a Google console. Okay, in the console, I logged in. In the console, where is all the services? Okay, in AWS, all the services into this place. In Google also, we have a same click, all the services are here. And these services, that services are almost very similar. The UI is little bit different, but things are very similar. Okay, so this is Google Cloud architecture. Okay, what we can say, cloud architecture. With the help of internet, I can access any of the machines. Okay, and really my lots of servers are running on the Google Cloud as well. You can see, have a look as well. Okay, something related to the Docker is already running into this place. Okay, cool. This is very high level architecture. Okay, it can be servers, it can be database, it can be virtual machine, everything will be available into the cloud computing. Okay, and with the help of front end, I can access it with the help of application or with the help of console. Google Cloud, AWS has their own application as well, Android or iOS application. We can download and we can access with the help of that. They are providing the console access also. With the help of console also, we can access it. Okay. Cool. Now, in our last part, we have seen the different varieties of cloud: public cloud, hybrid cloud, and private cloud that are known as deployment model. Means we are deploying our application in which cloud. Okay, that is known as deployment models. Inside this cloud, we have some service models as well. Okay, what are service model? Infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service. These are the service model available into the cloud computing. Okay, this service model is available into almost all the cloud. Okay, these service models are available into all the cloud, and this will come into the deployment model. So now you have to see the cloud computing as this diagram: deployment model, service model, What are the deployment models? Different varieties of clouds are the different models. Okay. Service model, what type of service they are providing to us, that is known as service model. Okay. Services, when we talk about the services, primarily 3 services are available: infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service. Anyone here who already know these services? No one? Then very good for me. Okay, if no one knows. Guys, tell me, anyone knows these services? Have you know about the cloud earlier before that this much?
No.
Cool, then very good. Now, see, earlier some people are feeling that experienced peoples are here and we are very worried how we will achieve it. From the day 2 only, experienced peoples are done. Yes or no, guys? Freshers happy now at this point?
Yes.
Yeah.
Right? See, all experienced people are on the same level. Now everyone on the same level. Okay, from now onwards. Okay, so from day 2, let's assume some experienced people will be for 5-10 days. After that, everyone will be on the same level. I will bring everyone. It's my responsibility. I will bring everyone on the same level and we will learn the things. Okay, now everyone will work. Everyone will learn on the same levels. Okay, cool. Everyone on the same level. Understandable? All good? Now, balancing experience of freshers. Guys, yes or no, at least?
Yes.
Yes.
Cool, good. Okay, this is what I want. Chalo. Come to the service model. Okay, when we'll talk about the service model, cloud computing definition we have already taken care. Okay, chalo. Let me explain some more things about the cloud computing as well. What exactly it is? Cloud computing is a combination of service model or deployment model. This is what we have seen it. Okay, cloud computing is a model for enabling on-demand network. On-demand network, whenever I want, I need as per my requirement, they will provide a network. They will provide a network, servers, storage, application, and services, everything to us. Okay, means as per my requirement, the cloud computing or cloud provider will provide what things to me? Network, internet. Okay, network is primarily a internet. Servers or storage, servers like virtual machine. Storage, where I will store a data, D drives, E drives, external hard disks. Application, some ready-made things they will provide it to us. Services, some ready-made things over the application they will provide it to us. Okay, it can be rapidly provisioned and released with a minimal management effort. It can create or it can delete it with the very minimal effort. Okay, very minimal effort. You want to see it? Let me show it to you. Okay, let me go to the Google Cloud. Okay, this is my console.googlecloud.com. Okay, why I'm going into the Google Cloud today? Because AWS, so definitely we have to learn for a complete 2 months or 3 months. Okay, but let's understand some extra things as well. Okay, what I'm doing, I'm creating a virtual machine. Guys, anyone here can give the answer to me? What is virtual machine?
So basically,
it's a computer which is accessible through other location.
Cool, very good. That's it. This is the only virtual machine. Okay, someone else machine I can access it, right? That is known as virtual machine. The keyword says virtual, means someone else machine I will access with the help of internet. Who given this answer?
It's me, Vikas.
Rajesh. R-A-J-E-S-H. Okay, Rajesh has given this answer, so I'm creating one virtual machine for the Rajesh. Okay, Rajesh VM. At this point, I'm creating into the US region, and let me come from the starting. Okay, very easy. Okay, I came into the Google homepage. Okay, this is Google homepage. From the homepage, I'm just choosing these 3 lines: compute engine or virtual machine. I'm coming to the virtual machine place. Okay, here I have to choose create instance, means create virtual machine. Create virtual machine. I'm giving the name Rajesh. Okay, Rajesh VM, and I'm coming to the last and I'm clicking on the create. Okay, have you understood? I went to the Rajesh, I provided a name, I click on the create. Rajesh virtual machine on the US region is ready. Okay, it will take some couple of seconds. At this point, it is creating and it will be ready. This much minimal efforts, guys, this much minimal efforts is required to create a virtual machine. Earlier, if I will tell you, you have to create a virtual machine with your servers, first thing, so you will take your time. Okay, you will ask a amount. Okay, then only you can. But see, Raja's virtual machine in US region is already created. Wait, Shruti. Yeah, Shruti, go ahead, ask. What is the question?
Yeah, actually, we discussed about all the advantages of cloud computing. So, does it have any drawback? Like, what about like some data theft happen? What about some people hack our data? What about some virus attacks?
No, nothing. Okay, everything can happen. Okay, but the cloud providers are
But
already
hacking is too much easy, right?
okay.
Like in data
No,
centers, hacking won't happen.
no. Who told that? If you are connected with the internet, hacker can reach to your data center as well. Okay.
Okay.
See, everything is internet. Okay. If you allow anything with the help of internet to go inside, it will come. Okay. If you will not allow, it will not come. Okay, so the security things will come into the picture, which we will see. Okay, and guys, you don't have to worry. Okay, we are on a very small level already. Banks, companies, our Google Pay, Phone Pay, everyone is using the cloud servers. Okay, so we are on very small level. We don't have to worry about the security. Already very high level of security is providing to us. Okay. Okay, and yes, virtual machine is ready. Okay, and if I will ask you the question at this point, this point. Okay, which point, this is the point which I told it I will do it. Okay, let's assume the website is running into this web server, this virtual machine, and at this point it is running with this configuration. What is the configuration at this point? E2 medium. Okay, what is E2 medium? Let me write it here in my notepad. E2 medium. Okay, at this point, my Rajesh virtual machine is running on E2 medium, RAJESH VM. Okay, let me cut it and let me put it here. Okay, Rajesh VM, I created it. Okay, it is running on E2 medium. Okay, what is E2 medium? Let me copy this and put it on the Google itself. Okay, E2 medium GCP. E2 medium, where is E2 medium? E2 medium, let me open this link. Okay, and let me open this link and let me find out what is E2 medium. Okay, Control F, E2 medium. E2 medium is 100 crores. No, I don't need this answer, not this answer. Yeah, this website looks good to me. I'm searching E2 medium. Okay, E2 medium is 1 CPU and 4 GB RAM they provided to me. Guys, what is CPU and what is RAM? I hope you are aware.
Yes.
Right. In our laptop also there is a CPU and there is a RAM. Okay, let me open my laptop. Okay, in this laptop it has a 4 CPUs. Okay, not 4 CPU. I have a 8 cores of the CPUs and 8 GB of RAM. Okay, so same thing, 1 CPU, 4 GB RAM is I'm using at this point. My requirement, as I told into the BJS, some new thing is happening and new, what we can say, increase of the server is required. Okay, INCREAS increase to new range. Okay, or increase to new compute, new COMPUT. Compute means CPU and memory. Guys, whenever we will talk about the compute, means CPU and memory, that is known as compute. Okay, increase new compute to, let's assume, 4 GB RAM and 4 CPU. Guys, if we are on the cloud, we can simply go into this place. Okay, we are stopping the machine. I'm stopping the machine with the help of stop option. Okay, earlier you saw that it was in running state, green color was there. Okay, now it is in stopping step. It will get stopped in some couple of seconds. I will edit this machine and I will change the configuration whatever I want. Okay, let's give a time. The machine is stopping at this point. Wait. Yeah, machine has been stopped. Okay, let me refresh it. Okay, still something is running. Yeah, at this point machine has been stopped. I'm going inside a machine. Okay, there will be edit option. Okay, there will be edit option. Here is the edit option. Okay, and in the edit option I will change the compute. Okay, I'm editing it. Why it's slow? It should not be slow actually. Okay, let's wait. Let me open a new tab. No worries. Okay. Let me refresh this only. It was working. I'm going into this machine. Here edit option. See here in the edit, as soon as I click on the edit, this option has been enabled for me. Now my requirement is I want to change to 4 GB to 16 GB RAM. Yes, I click, I choose this E2 standard. Okay, 4 GB, 4 CPU and 16 GB RAM will be available. As soon as I save this, okay, I change the configuration, I saved it. Okay, and as soon as I saved it, now my machine is of higher configuration. Okay, I'm saving it. Okay, I will earlier, you can see that at this point earlier, where was my compute thing? E2 instance. Okay, type equal to instance is showing. E2 medium was showing earlier, right? I will refresh this page. Okay, let it get saved. Okay, yeah, at this point it is saving. It will take some couple of seconds. Okay, yeah, it has been saved, and you can see E2 standard has been changed. Okay, now E2 standard, what exactly the E2 standard says? New is E2 standard. I will go again to the website, E2 standard into this place, and E2 standard is 4 CPU and 16 GB RAM has been changed for my virtual machine. Is that easy, guys?
Yes.
Okay, so this is the benefit we are getting into the cloud. Okay, earlier I was taking about the data center. It's not possible. We have to go for the shopping, we have to do it. Hosting provider, we have to send a mail, we have to raise a support ticket also will take a time to respond it, right? On the business working days, right now it's Saturday, Sunday, there may be chances they will provide us the response very quickly or not. Okay, but in the cloud we can stop the machine, change the instance and start it again. Our servers will be of the bigger size. Okay, this is the one of the biggest benefit. This is one of the benefit. Okay, there are hundreds of benefits also there into the cloud. Okay, we will see all of that, no need to worry. Okay, where we are. Okay. Now we have to talk more about the cloud computing or virtualization. Okay, cloud computing, how the cloud computing works. Okay, means how the cloud computing is work, how the cloud things you are able to connect. We are able to connect because of the virtualization. What exactly the virtualization is? With the help of cloud computing is possible because of the technology virtualization. What exactly the virtualization is? If we are accessing someone's hardware virtually, if we are accessing someone else hardware, this Rajesh virtual machine is obviously a hardware which is available into the Google Cloud data center. If we are accessing someone's hardware virtually, that is known as virtualization. Someone here in the last class told that he is working into the virtualization. Who is that person? He joined today? No. Okay, no problem. I think he was working onto this part only. Okay, accessing someone's hardware virtually, that is known as virtualization. The technical term of that computer, technical term of that server is known as virtual machine, which I have created just now. Guys, all good? Able to understand what is virtualization, what is virtual machine?
Yeah.
Yes,
Everyone? All freshers are good. Very high level, guys, very high level, very easiest method I teach. Okay, cool, good. If you understood it, anyone here who haven't understood, please let me know. Let me confirm you, we are not on YouTube, we are not watching YouTube recorded video. Okay,
Because one question.
go ahead, please.
So you mentioned that cloud is always up, right? But we see scenarios somewhere where WhatsApp or something is down. So how does that happen?
Okay, see, everything is virtual, right? Or everything has some limit. The cloud also has a limit, right? And basically it's a server, so it can also be down. Make sense? Okay. Yes or no? It is also a server, right? Someone's data centers there. It's a Google or Amazon. It can be. But see, as compared to my data center and Amazon data center, the Amazon data center is thousands times better, secure, or better than my data center. Yes or no?
Yes, obviously.
Right? So if you will host your WhatsApp in your own server, now you have to manage a lot, and in the once in a year, if WhatsApp is going down, if your own application once in a day, 10 times it may go down. Right? Right? Yeah, good. Okay, good. Chalo, that's okay. Guys, if you understood this part, I want to create a website. Someone given a budget of 1 lakh rupees or 3 lakh rupees, 4 lakh rupees with 45 days. Okay, that thing I will do in the next 5 minutes for you. Okay, next 5 minutes, and I will teach you everything as well. Chalo, let's do it. Let me clean up my things. Okay, there is a Rajesh machine. I don't want Rajesh machine at this point. I'm cleaning.
Hi, Vikas.
Sunil, give me a time, please. Give me a time. You will understand everything. No worries. Okay. I'm just cleaning up. I'm just showing how to delete that machine as well. How to delete it? There is the option. How to release or how to delete it? I'm just clicking on delete, and the Rajesh machine will be deleted for me. Okay. Chalo, cool. Now I want to create something for you guys. Okay. I want to create a one website for you. Okay. With the help of DevOps tools. Guys, if I will ask the same question with you, what all things is required to create a website? Can you give the answer to me? Guys, give the answer.
Storage.
Website. Okay. Storage.
Server.
Server. Which server?
Web server.
Web server.
Hosting.
Hello,
Hosting.
web server. Okay. Web server.
Internet connection.
Leave it internet connection. Definitely network. Okay. What else?
Hosting will be required.
Hosting. Okay. Chalo. HOSTING. What else?
API.
Database.
DB. Chalo.
DB
Okay.
server.
Okay. What else?
Coding.
Coding. Chalo. Okay. What else?
Domain.
Domain. Okay. Chalo. What else?
Testing.
Testing. Chalo. Testing. Okay. What else? All done? All done? Guys, out of this 30 people, I get some solutions. Okay. And almost you guys are correct. Okay. I'm not telling anything is wrong. All are correct answers. Okay. But let me tell you what exactly we need it. Okay. With the help of DevOps tools, we can go to any of the cloud provider and we can take any of the virtual machine. Okay. So this part, whoever told it virtual machine is really very correct. Okay. Inside a virtual machine. Okay. I'm going in this term. Okay. I'm going to the GCP, Google Cloud, and I'm taking the virtual machine. Okay. First step. Okay. Let me go into the Google Cloud. I'm going into the Google Cloud. I'm clicking on the create instance and I'm taking a virtual machine. Okay. Very first step. Guys, anyone raise the hand, please? Unmute and let me know the name, your name.
Raga.
RAG, Raga Demo 1. Okay, I'm giving the name Raga Demo 1. Okay, I need a virtual machine. Okay, so 2 CPU, 4 GB RAM is enough for me. Okay, and I'm going, guys, anyone knows after taking a virtual machine, we have to choose a what we can say operating system into it. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. What is Ubuntu operating system?
We used to use this in college days. Now no one is using.
Okay. Chalo. What else? But this is the widely used operating system. Okay. Ubuntu is the widely used operating system. So I'm taking a Ubuntu operating system. Someone told about the storage. I'm taking the 10 GB of storage. Okay. Click yes. Okay. Means in this place, I took the 10 GB of storage as well. 10 GB storage, and OS I took Ubuntu, Ubuntu. Okay. These 3 things I have taken care. Okay. And I'm clicking, I'm allowing the firewall or internet. Okay. Someone told it internet. Where is the internet? I haven't written it. Network, or someone told it web server. Network equal to internet, INTERNET. Okay. I allowed the internet also with a single click. Okay. Allow HTTP. Internet is HTTP, right? HTTP, HTTPS. Yes or no?
Yes.
Right. I'm allowing the internet and I'm clicking on the create. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 things has been completed for me. Control C, I'm just putting it here. Okay, this 4 part out of you guys told me this is completed for me. Okay, this all 4 part has been completed in my sheet. The step 1 and step 2 has been completed. Go to any of the cloud provider, create a virtual machine. I created the virtual machine, right? The virtual machine is what Raga demo 1 is created for me. Okay, it is into the US location, 2 GB 4 CPU memory, and it has been created. Means out of these 2 steps, yes, I have created this. Step 2 is done. Next step is I'm telling use the DevOps tool that is known as Docker. Anyone here who knows Docker? Do you know the power of Docker?
No, we don't know Docker.
Okay, chalo, I will teach. Okay, it's into this course. Okay, I will install a Docker into it. Okay, let me connect the machine. I'm clicking on the this place SSH. Guys, what is SSH?
Secure shell.
Secure shell.
Secure shell.
Secure shell. Okay, means I want to connect to the any of the virtual machine or any of the Linux machine with the help of SSH. Wait. With the help of SSH, I can connect to the machine. Okay, it will take some couple of seconds, and I will be connected to this machine as well. Okay, yes, I have connected to this Raga machine as well. Okay, I am becoming the root user. sudo-i means root user. I become the root user. I am just clearing this clean so that everything will be clean. I become the root user because I want to be the admin of this machine. I click on the command sudo-i and I become the root user into this machine. Okay, and now my requirements, I want to install a Docker. How to install a Docker? These are the 3 commands. With the help of 3 commands, I will install a Docker into it. Okay, what exactly it is? These are the 3 commandments. First, as a good practice, as a best practice, if you are taking any of the machine, you have to update the machine as well. Yes or no?
Yes.
Right, as a best practice in your company, as everywhere, whenever you are taking any of the new machine, you have to update that machine. With the help of this command apt get update, we will update the machine. I am going here and I am running this command apt get update. It will update all the packages whatever available into this Ubuntu machine. It will take lesser than 1 minute and all the packages will be updated for me. See, reading packages and all done, means my machine is updated now. With the help of this command, I am installing a Docker. Apt install docker.io. As soon as I will run this command, the Docker will be installed in my machine. I am pressing enter. It is asking, sir, Docker is of 360 MB. Do you want to install? I am pressing Y and I am pressing enter. Okay, Docker will be installed in my machine. Okay, how to verify that part? With the help of this command, docker-v, we can verify the Docker is running into this machine or not. Okay, I'm just waiting. 360 MB will get downloaded into my machine. Wait.
One question.
Wait. Okay, chalo, go ahead, Sunil. Yeah, what is the question?
Yeah. So, do we require the key pair for connecting to this VM?
See, in Google Cloud, nothing is required. It's very simple.
Okay. And one more question I had, which previously I was supposed to ask. So, this is a paid version of GCP you are using, or that is
it's a free version. Why should I waste my money? Okay, free version. Okay, which you guys also will get created. Okay, I will help you out to create. For the next 3 months, it will be completely free. Okay, docker-v, you can see, yes, Docker, this version has been installed in this machine. Okay, so at this point, if you will see here, I have done with these 3 steps. Okay, let me copy this all steps. Okay, not this all steps. Okay, I'm copying into this place so that I can give these commands to you as well. Okay, step 1 I completed. Step 2 I created the virtual machine. Step 3 I installed the Docker also and I verified it. Yes, done. Okay, means I have installed the Docker into that machine as well. Now step 4 is telling that you have to download the code. Someone told that code, right? Someone here, he told about the coding. Yes, coding coding. I am taking the coding part and I'm working on the coding part now. Okay, how to get a code? Either a web developer has to written that code. Yes or no for me?
Yes.
Correct.
Front-end developer, web developers will write the code. I don't know, means we are the DevOps engineer. We don't know coding. We will get the code from the developer. Okay, so in this coding part, I am getting the code from the developer. So I'm going to one website, this website, freecss.com. Okay. And in this place, you are my client. Choose any of the website. Okay. Whatever you want to develop it. Guys, here are the some example. Pet lover, Advard, okay, gymnastic. Choose any of the website from this 6 in any 12. Any website you want to choose from this place. Spicy, bloggy, or let me choose something else. Okay, or you can choose from here. Someone is going to wed some in some couple of months. Anyone's wedding is there?
Because let's choose hangover.
Hangover. Okay, chalo, hangover. Okay, I'm choosing the hangover one. Okay, what exactly it is? If I will run this website, how exactly it should look like? Live demo. I'm clicking on this place. It should look like this to me, hangover website. Okay. Guys, everyone is okay with hangover? Can I take the hangover website to create it in front of you?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, chalo. This is how it should look like. But at this point, it is running on their end. Okay, cool. I'm closing it. I'm downloading the code with the help of this click. As soon as I will click into this place, the code has been downloaded in my machine. The developer will provide it to the DevOps engineer. We are the DevOps engineer. They will provide it to us. But it's a Linux machine. I'm copying the link of that part and I'm going into this place. And with the help of wget command, wget is to download any of the code from the internet into this place. Okay. Before that, let me show ls command. Guys, what is ls command? Can anyone here give the answer? What is ls command? It will list. At this point, yeah, list all content. At this point, everything is empty in this place. Yes or no?
Yes.
ls, I'm typing again. Everything is empty. With the help of wget command, I am just pressing that URL and I'm pressing enter. Okay. As soon as I press enter, the website code has been downloaded in my machine. With the help of ls command, you can see, yes, hangover.zip file has been downloaded in my machine with the help of wget command. Okay, this command will download the complete code into this place. Yes, good. Okay, in my this place, what all things are done? I have downloaded the code with the help of wget. I'm done into this place. Okay. Guys, in Windows, if this is a zip file, how can I unzip it? Can you give the answer in Windows? WinZip command means I have to use some software to perform the activity. Yes or no? I have to go and I have to use some software. Okay. Which software? Like 7-zip or WinZip, and I can unzip into my folder this location. Okay. I'm extracting it. Means with the help of some software, I get this all file hangover master and all the coding of the website, right? In Linux also, we have to do the same thing. Okay. There is a command unzip. Okay. unzip unzip hangover. Okay. I'm giving the command unzip hangover.zip and it is telling unzip software is not there. Okay. And he is giving the answer, sir, install the unzip with the help of this command. I'm copying this command, I'm pasting it here, and I'm providing -y. No need to ask, install it. I'm directly telling yes, and unzip will be installed in my machine. Yes, unzip has been installed. Now I'm going back and I'm clicking on unzip hangover.zip. And with the help of ls, you can see unzip hangover.master. Hangover.master has been created in my this Windows machine also in this place as well. Are you able to understand what are these? What are things I did at this point?
Yes.
Yes, Vikas.
Freshers, can you give the confirmation? Very fresher, non-technical experience.
Yeah.
Okay, cool, good. Okay, means in this place, I have installed the unzip and I just unzip the things as well. Okay, this is what I done. Okay, with the help of unzip command, I unzip the hangover website as well. Now, nginx. Okay, someone here told that they need a web server. Okay, where is the web server? Where is the web server? Someone told that web server. Who told this web server, guys? Anyone here? Who told?
It's me.
Yeah, Karthik, you told web server. Guys, you haven't told that which web server. Apache, Tomcat, nginx, anything, right?
Yeah.
Right. So I'm taking nginx as a web server to create my website. Okay, cool. I'm taking nginx. Guys, if you don't know what is nginx, nginx is a web server. I'm putting the nginx into the Google and you will get answer. Nginx is a web server. Means my website will run on this nginx web server. Okay, at this point, very high level, understand this part. It's a web server. I will teach into the deeper as well. Okay, Nginx is a web server. Cool. Okay, I'm going again into this place. Okay, I'm going again, and this command, I'm just updating the Docker command should run on 80. Which is the name? What is the name? I'm just checking the name on my server. Hangover master. I'm copying the hangover master. Okay, and I'm putting this keyword into this place. Hangover master is my name. Okay, and let me make it into the viewer equal to what type. Yeah, everything into the single line. I'm copying this Docker command. Okay, and I will teach everything. You don't have to worry. At this point, I am downloading the Nginx and I'm using it. Okay, I'm downloading the Nginx and I'm using it. Okay? I'm copying the command and I'm going into this place, and I want to run it. But before that, I want to check it what is running in my this server Raga website. I'm copying this IP address. I'm going into this place. I'm checking it on port 80 what is running, and double quote 80, and let me check. Nothing is running at this point. I'm giving this link to you all as well. Guys, can you check it and let me know anything is working into this URL or this IP address? This is Raga's server IP. This is Raga's external IP. Yes or no? 34, 121, 227, 189. Anything is running on the Raga servers?
Nothing is
running. No, nothing.
Nothing is running. Okay, cool. Okay, but I want to run something with the help of Docker. I'm just pressing enter. I'm pressing enter. Let's wait for some couple of seconds. It will download Nginx. It will attach my website to this. Now, guys, can you refresh and check it? Anything is working?
Yes.
What is working?
No, Hangover website is coming.
It has created?
Yes.
How much time it took?
Yeah, 10 minutes, I think.
10 minutes with explanation. Right?
Yeah.
To run 5 commands, we can create a website. Okay, it can be anything. See, yes, Hangover website is up and running completely. This is the beauty of DevOps tools. Okay, with the help of DevOps tools, we can achieve this thing. Which new tool we have used here? Only Docker, right? Means virtual machine is also a DevOps tool. Docker, we have used it, and that's it, right? Nothing new. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Guys, freshers, can you give this answer? Have you understood this is all 6 steps? Theoretically, go to any of the cloud provider, anything, doesn't care about it. Google Cloud, AWS, Azure, whatever you want, go it. Create a virtual machine, install a tool Docker with the help of command apt install Docker. Done. Download the website, or if you know how to download it with the help of wget command, download it. Or what else you can do it? You can choose, you can get the code from your developer. Okay. Run the Nginx container and check it on port 80. Hope you understood these 6 steps.
Could you please elaborate what is Docker?
I will completely teach Docker. No need to worry. Okay. Means what I did, one second, what I did, I have downloaded the Nginx container and run the website with it. Okay. With the help of this command. Means who is the game changer here? This command is the game changer here, who perform a lot of things for us.
Yeah, it's interesting. Yeah.
Good. Yeah. What else? Who is asking some question?
Yeah. So it was me, Vikas. So I don't want my website to run through an IP. So
okay.
Is there a way I can use it?
Obviously, that should be a way. Okay. With the help of DNS provider, you have to purchase a name, domain name, and you have to attach this IP to the name. It will work on the domain name.
Okay. Just one basic question. If suppose I take a free license version of the GCP, so could I put a load on my website?
Obviously.
No,
see,
how
in
much
free,
load?
see, it can be anything. You can host completely. I will host completely Flipkart website in this in the Google Cloud or in AWS. Okay, and you can put the load. Okay, it's not free. See, if it's a free means it's not. It's a real things only. Okay. No need to worry for learning purpose. They are giving free. Okay, so that you learn and you will use into the company. That's their intention. Why they are giving free? Because if you learn AWS, you will be an AWS engineer for the whole life, right? And in the corporate, they will earn from you. Right? Cool. Okay. And we verified it. It is worked. Okay. can I expect that you understood 6 lines, everyone?
Yes.
If you understood this 6 theory part, you will understand this commands as well. And I trust me, I will teach all the commands into the Linux classes as well. Okay, I will teach all the Linux classes as well. Okay, cool. This is the power of Docker, power of DevOps tool. Okay, very high level. I have shown this part to you. Okay. Now I want to go more deeper. Do you want to see the power of Docker? Let me show it one more thing. Anyone here who is using the Windows 11 or Windows 11 Emulator, something like that? Guys, Windows 11, you know, yes or no?
No, we are on Windows
Yes, we
10.
know, but we are not using.
You are not using it, right? Why you are not using? Can you give the answer to me?
I'm using virtual machine.
You are using virtual machine with Windows 11?
No, it's not Windows 11, it's Windows 10 only.
Okay, I'm asking why you guys.
Market is still on Windows 10 only, most of us.
What?
Like in market, still most of the people use Windows 10 only, even in organizations.
Vivek is not a correct answer. Okay, see, it's a very new. We don't have trust at this point. It's not very stable, but we are really interested to go into the Windows 11. Yes or no? It's a new thing, right? After wait. I will give the after 2 years we have to move to the Windows 11. Okay.
Sure.
Right? Because when the Windows 7 came, we were thinking, oh, can I go to the Windows 7 or not? We went, and everyone, it's outdated as well. After 5 years, Windows 11, we will adopt it, and we will be into, after 2 years only, we will adopt and we will use the Windows 11 as well. Yes or no?
Yep.
Yeah.
Right? Are you agree with my point? Do you want to test
Yes.
it today? In the today's class, do you want to see the Windows 11, how exactly it look like?
Yes.
With the help of Docker, I can show that part. Okay. Chalo. How many people are known?
Can I have a second?
Yeah, Vivek, go ahead. What's your question?
Okay, so I'm using Mac currently, and I have a terminalist.
Your voice is breaking. Your voice is breaking. Guys, I'm using Docker into my local machine as well. Okay, and I'm using the Windows 11 Emulator, means not 100% Windows 11, but the layer of the Windows 11 I'm using in my laptop also. Okay, let me show it to you. Here, Windows 11 is running on 3000 port. Okay, let me show. Anyone here who knows localhost? What do you mean by localhost?
System's name.
System. If you are like posting something in our
System's
laptop
name.
itself.
Oh, no.
Yeah, it's a server, it's a port.
Give me better answer. Better answer. What is localhost? Okay, give the little bit better answer. Yeah, Ritu, go ahead.
Anything is running in locally.
Correct. That is known as localhost. Correct. And I'm running Windows 11 on the localhost port 3000. Okay. See, yes, Windows 11 is running. This is Windows 11. 12:35 is my system time. 3:22. Yes, this is, and this is running on Windows 11. Okay. It will look like a Windows 11. Okay. How the Windows 11 look like? It will be visible to us. Okay. What exactly it is? This is emulator, which is running with the help of Docker. With the help of Docker tool, here is the Windows 11. It's written into the React, but it's an emulator for Windows 11. Okay. Do you want to run this Windows 11 into this website, this IP address, so that you all can see it? At least say yes or no.
Yes.
Okay. Chalo.
Yes.
Let's do it. Okay. Just give me 1 minute. Okay. Let me set up the code. Just give me a second. Where is my local host? Guys, I am ready. Okay. There is a Docker command. Okay. With the help of this Docker command, I can achieve that part, and it should run on 3000 port. Okay. This, with the help of this Docker run command, I can achieve that one. I'm copying this command. Okay. And guys, you have the IP address. Check it into the 3000 port. What is running at this point? Do you have the IP address, right, of this machine, hangover, where the hangover is running? Guys, check it in your machine. Is anything is running on 3000 port?
No, nothing is running.
Nothing is running, right? Acha, chalo, if I will ask the question with you, how much time it will take for the installation in any of the machine, any of the server or anywhere? Minimum, how much is the time you required?
At least half an hour.
Chalo, okay. Any other better answer? Guys, give the answer. I'm talking with you. Because I'm telling I have the command ready. Okay. If I will run that command, it will be done for me. Here is the command. 10 minutes, 10 hours, 10 minutes.
5 minutes, 5 minutes.
Okay.
1 to 2 minutes.
Why 1 to 2 minutes? Who is that person? What you will do in 1 to 2 minutes? Give me the answer. Shubhankar, give me the answer. What you will do in 1 to 2 minutes?
I just randomly spoke there.
What? I haven't understood.
It's just a guess, sir.
Okay, guess. Okay, chalo, no worries. Okay, see, I have the command pasted. I'm just pressing enter. Okay, let it get complete. Okay, let it download the code, download everything. Okay, download extraction, and it is telling done. Guys, refresh the page. See my screen. Windows 11 emulator is running for me. Okay, what exactly it is telling? 12:37, my machine. 20 March Sunday is the timing. Okay, I'm clicking here. This is the username. I'm signing in, and it is telling this is created on the React open source project. This is a code, open source code for understanding the Windows 11. He is the owner for that part, and I'm using it. Yes, it is working for me. I hope it is working for you as well.
It's working, because
it's working. This is the power of Docker. That's why company loved it. Developers love it. DevOps engineer will do this magic in front of everyone, and everyone will see that, wow, what happened. Guys, yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So someone who is telling it will take that many hours, that many days, minutes, it will take some couple of seconds. This is the power of Docker. Okay.
But that was correct. It takes only 2 minutes.
That's
Someone
okay.
said 2 minutes also.
Okay. If you don't know Docker, can you achieve this thing into the 2 minutes?
No.
You have to learn the Docker, right? This
Yeah.
is what, okay. Docker PS, with the help of Docker PS running processes, you can see something is running on 3000 ports, something is running on 80 port. Guys, which one I have to kill it and show that it's running by me only? Can you tell me? Windows 11 can I kill, or Hangover website can I kill?
Windows 11.
Windows 11. DOCKER RM. Okay, remove forcefully. Okay, Windows 11 is this one. I'm filling this container. Okay, and I'm pressing enter. Guys, check it now. Is this working? Windows 11 for you? I don't think so. It should work. It's not working for me as well.
it's not working.
So it's running by me on my server. Okay, this is what I want to prove. Chalo, cool. Okay, fun a lot. Okay, but this is the magic. This is the big picture of DevOps tool. With the help of DevOps, yes, we can do the things very quickly, very automated way, and it will work for sure. Okay, this is what the DevOps tools provided for us, and this is what we have to learn into the complete journey. Okay. What are the things we have seen? Okay, why I'm showing all these things to you? Okay, because these are the services. Okay, these are the service model provided by the cloud. Okay, what exactly the service model provided by the cloud? Infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service. Okay, means guys, infrastructure as a service. If we'll take an example of this website, okay, if I'm getting operating system, virtual machine plus operating system from the cloud provider, means I'm getting an infrastructure from the provider. That is known as infrastructure as a service. Got it?
Vikas, can you repeat it again?
Okay, if I'm okay, let me compare it. Okay, let me give one diagram. IaaS versus PaaS versus SaaS. Okay, I will show one image so that you will understand very quickly. Okay, yeah. Okay, let me take this diagram. Let me take this diagram. Okay, I'm copying this diagram image. Okay, and I'm putting into my sheet, and I will give it to you all as well. Okay. What exactly I want to tell? Let's compare. Okay, I'm comparing different service models by the cloud provider. Infrastructure as a service means if I'm getting virtual machine, if I'm getting operating system from the cloud provider, that is known as infrastructure as a service. I'm getting it. Infrastructure as a service means virtual machine plus operating system. They will provide it to us. Means I'm getting an infrastructure from the cloud provider. If they will provide virtual machine, operating system, Docker plus Nginx, means some tools also, if they will provide it to us, means they are providing a platform to us to run our web application. Okay, that is known as platform as a service. These are the some tool example as a platform. Over this platform we can run our application. Okay, in another case, virtual machine, operating system, this tool plus the code also they will provide it to us, means they are providing as a service. Directly you have to use it, you don't have to do anything, everything they will do for us. That is known as software as a service. Let's understand this diagram. Okay, so you will understand everything. In on premises, networking, storage, servers, virtualization, operating system, middleware, everything we have to manage it. Okay, if we are on the on premises it. Okay, this blue color is we have to do it in the cloud. Okay, if we are taking networking, if we are taking as an infrastructure service, IaaS, network, storage, servers, virtualization, and operating system also they will provide it to us. That is known as infrastructure as a service. Okay, because diagram is not very correct. Okay, operating system also they have provided to us, right? We haven't taken anything, we choose it and we get the operating system. So I can say that infrastructure as a service has to be provided like networking, storage, servers, virtualization, and operating system they provided to us. That is known as infrastructure as a service. Another example, operating system, middleware, or runtime also they will provide it to us. That is known as platform as a service. If everything the cloud provider itself will provide to us, that is known as software as a service. Here in this case, virtual machine is my virtual machine is the example for infrastructure as a service. Some databases or some tools, if they will install into the virtual machine and they will give it to us, that is known as platform as a service. If everything they will do and give it to us, that is known as software as a service. Like Google Drive, they are putting everything into it. Email services, we just have to log in and we have to use it. Facebook, we have to just log in and we have to use it. That is, we are using the software as a service from the provider. Facebook is the application, email is the application, CRM, or all the applications which we are using, it will come into the software as a service. If we are developing everything, that is known as infrastructure as a service. If they are providing 90% thing to us, middleware or software, that is known as they are providing a platform to us. We have to bring our data and we have to use it. It makes sense? Have you understood what is the cloud models are there? Multiple varieties of cloud models are available at this point with us. Hope you understood this part, guys.
Vikas, can you give an example for a platform as a service?
Platform as a service, database. Database also will be there. The example is RDS. Okay, relational database service. Database, Oracle database, MySQL database, they will install and give it to us. We just have to bring our data. That's it.
Okay. Can we take an example as Git as platform as service?
No, Git is only a tool. No, your answer is not correct. Okay, I am talking about the cloud. Okay, Git is just a DevOps tool. If you will give an example from the cloud provider, I will verify it.
Okay.
Cool. Guys, infrastructure service, virtual machine, EC2 is the virtual machine, is the infrastructure service. RDS is a platform as a service. Software as a service, directly you can come and use it. Okay, that is software as a service. Let me go from the starting. I took the infrastructure from the cloud provider. I install some software. I make the platform as a service. Okay. I have put my application also it. You are using it directly. That means you are using as a software service from me and Google Cloud. Cool. Yes or no? Guys, yes or no?
Yes, Vikas.
All good. Able to understand the service models as well. And guys, I'm giving you lots of theories as well. Okay, where is the theory? These are the explanation, these are the example on it. Software as a service, directly consume it. You are consuming it, right? Hangover website, directly consuming it. That is software as a service. I'm building it, means I'm making the platform as a service for you. Who is providing the infrastructure to me? Google Cloud or AWS is providing the infrastructure to me, means I'm migrating to the infrastructure as well. Okay, these are the models in that. Examples are also here in it. Okay, and I'm giving the lot big theories as well. Who are some interested to read the theory? These are the theories and definition, example, advantage, disadvantage, everything here. Okay, for software as a service, for platform as a service, for infrastructure as a service. This will be helpful for you to understand more, or more in the, you will speak more into the interview. Okay, but whatever I told, that's more than enough for your understanding. Okay, someone who really want to read the theory, yes, read this theory. Advantage, disadvantage, characteristics, and theory answers are here. Okay, cool. All good till now?
Can you give one example for middleware? What is middleware exactly?
Okay, middleware is what we can say, Docker and Nginx are the middleware applications. They are in the middle. Because of that, we are able to use the application. That is known as middleware. The word itself telling middle. Okay, in the middle. It's not an operating system over the operating system behind the website. Okay, that is a middleware.
Got it.
Okay, in between you and me, who is the middleware? Zoom meeting. Yes or no?
Yes, Vikas. Yeah.
If Zoom will not support us, we are not able to contact with each other.
Correct.
Right? So this is middleware. Okay. Yeah. And we can say middleware means platform as a service. They are providing, Zoom is providing a platform to us to connect with each other. Right? Platform as a service. The real example is Zoom application as well. Cool. Got it? Yes or no?
Yes, Vikas.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, guys, I want to give a 5-minute break for you to drink water, or we will continue for half an hour or something like that more. I want to give a 5-minute break to you. Okay, because it will be a long class, so definitely I have to give a break in between, and I will give a 5-minute break. Okay, and whoever want to talk with me in between, come at 3 minutes. After 3 minutes or 4 minutes, we will talk. Okay, but it's a 5-minute break for everyone. Cool, guys.
So yes.
So at least take a 2 minutes break. Okay, at least go and drink a water. I will also come back. Okay.
I am sitting with the bottle as well.
Are just give me a 2 minutes.
Anyways.
Okay.
Sure.
Cool.
Yes.
Yes, Anil, go ahead. Yeah, go ahead, go ahead.
Yeah, basically, like I work on AWS, okay, and I work on creating lambdas, right?
Cool.
Lambdas and CloudWatch, creating CloudWatch events and all, and also deploying my services as well as jar over there.
Okay. Okay.
My basic requirement for this course is I want to learn how to create a pipeline, okay,
It's a
because there is a
pipeline. I will teach you into the Jenkins. Okay. CI/CD pipeline.
yes.
Cool.
Okay, so if suppose I only want to join that part because as a developer, I am more or less from top I'm aware about these functionalities, but yeah, I mostly I want to grasp those knowledge.
Okay. Sunil, you can ping me 1-to-1. Okay. I will give you the dates. Okay. In which date we are going to cover that part. Okay. You have my mobile number, right?
No, because
no worries, no worries. I will give you +91 999 3445100. This is my WhatsApp number. Okay, WhatsApp number, you can call me, okay, in this number. And guys, whoever is really interested to join us, please drop me a message here as well. Okay, we are interested, so that I will give you the payment link, and what I will do it, I will save your number as well. Okay, so that we can talk with each other, and I will put you into the one WhatsApp group as well. Okay.
Sure, Vikas. So I have noted down the number. What will be the duration of that pipeline?
It will be 2 weekends. Okay, means you have to give me 8 hours. Okay, and I will teach everything.
Yeah, and one thing more, I want to learn about the cloud formation as well as the Terraform. So that will be included, right?
It's our things only. Okay, whatever you want. It's I want to provide everything. Okay, if you want some customization, you have the syllabus link, right? You can choose it, whatever you want. Okay, no worries. Cool.
Yes.
Cool. Okay, no worries, guys. Cool. Yeah, guys. Okay, and hope everyone is back. Guys, raise your hand, please, if you're back. Sejal, 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 people, 7 people. Cool. 8, 9, 10. Cool. Good. Okay. We all are back. Cool.
Vikas, one more question, Vikas. You're running commands, right? So will you be explaining what each part?
Everything. Yes, everything I will explain you. It's a big picture. It's everything I cannot teach in one class, right?
Yeah.
Right. First, I have to teach you the Linux. Okay. After the Linux, I have to teach you what exactly the cloud is. I will teach one and one every functionality. Okay. I will teach into the Linux only. After learning the Linux, you will see our syllabus is very big, right? And I'm showing the big picture from the directly we can say after going into this place, where is the Docker Kubernetes? I'm already reaching into this 31 part, directly showing it. Okay. In between, we will learn a lot.
Thanks.
All right. Cool.
Rahul, actually, today I have joined the class a little late.
Okay.
So will I get the recording for today?
Yes. Yes. Every recording I will give. Okay. No worries. This is the folder link. Okay. Where all the recordings are here. You can call. Guys, all the recording I will give it to into this location. Okay. No worries.
We will get the access for this.
You already have the access. No worries. Okay. No worries.
Because we don't have the access for the syllabus part now.
Okay. Yeah, I will give it. Actually, we change the location. Okay. I will give you the where exactly it is. Just give me a second.
Can you send over mail so that we can get
I will everything. I will. No worries. Okay. Here is the place where is the syllabus is there. Okay. The URL has been changed. Okay. No worries. Here is that.
Okay, fine. Yeah. Thank you.
What else? Recording will be there for sure. Everything is with me. I will share it. Okay. See what will happen. We will create a WhatsApp group, a small. In that, I will put you everything, and I will provide you the right access to everyone. Okay. At this point, things are public. Okay. I will make it private. We have understood, right? Public, everyone can access it. Privately, yes. I will give it only for my registered students.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. Okay. Cool. Yeah, guys, let's go more deeper into it about that. Okay, about the cloud only. As we saw, see, at this point, my intention is not to teach AWS, not to Google Cloud, anything. We are talking about the cloud. So in the cloud, AWS is already 68% applications are running. Okay, Most of the applications are already running into the AWS. Demand is very high for the AWS as compared to any other cloud provider. Okay, demands or lots of companies already adopted using it because this came 20 years back into the market. Okay, 15% we can say experiments are happening and 7% is planning to use it. Okay, that is AWS. In Azure, 58% is who are the .NET peoples, okay, already using the Azure part. 22% is experiments are happening, 8% is planning to do. In the Google Cloud, 19% applications are running at this point. But if you will see the running application, what we can say experiments and planning to use is very high. So in future, this number will be very good. Okay, so AWS and Google Cloud will be the primary cloud for our learning, and I'm going to teach it. I will not touch IBM, VMware, Oracle, Alibaba, no other cloud. Okay, AWS and Google Clouds are primarily which we will see into this course. Okay, because as per the market trend, as per the market requirement, as per the company openings, yes, we are going to teach that part. Okay? And out of that, as someone already told that he is working on the Lambda, he is working on the cloud front. Yes. Okay, same services, whatever are in AWS, same services are available into the Azure, same services are available into the Google Cloud as well. Names are a little bit different. Okay, the names are different. Okay, if you are running a Windows 10 into the Dell laptop, if you are running a Windows into the Lenovo laptop, if you are running a Windows 10 into the any of the laptop, it will be very similar for you. Yes or no? We created the Hangover application, right? I created on Ubuntu. It's running very similar in everyone's browser, right? So what I want to say that all the backends are very similar. Okay, the difference into the UI. Okay, if I will take a very simple example, if you know how to drive a car, you can able to drive any of the car. Yes or no? Hyundai, Tata, all the things. The UI will be a little bit different. Pricing is a little bit different. Flexibility will be a little bit different. Security will be a little bit different. But at the end, if you want a four-wheeler, you can choose anything as per your choose, right? If everyone is telling Tata is really very good, so why other companies' cars are coming into the market? Do you have this answer? No, right? So I also cannot give the answer, sir, which one is the best cloud? No one can give the answer because some services are good in AWS, some services are good into some other part. Some good things are very good into the Tata, some things are very good into the Hyundai, some things are really very good into the Mahindra, right? So according to the people's requirement, they will choose. So here also, according to the people's requirement, they will choose the cloud. But at the end, everything is very similar. If you know how to drive a Tata car, you can drive a Hyundai car, you can drive any other car as well. One time I get an opportunity to work into the Alibaba cloud as well. Okay, that time I know AWS and Google Cloud. I work very smoothly. Okay, I never feel that there is any big difference at all. Okay, terminology, names are a little bit different, UI is different, but at the end, Ubuntu machine or Linux machine will be very similar. Yes or no? Guys, agree?
Yes. Yes, agree.
Okay, it will be same. Okay, so don't keep the question in your mind, we have to learn any other cloud as well. No, if you know how to drive a car, you can drive any of the car. Okay, little bit difficulties will be coming. Okay, where is which button, where is that? Yeah, if you will spend some time, you will understand it. Cool. Okay, and this is a small picture. Again, what all services are there into what cloud? Okay, all the details I am giving into this place. Okay, I cannot read it, it's very small. Okay, because lots of informations are there, but which type of machine, which type of things are in AWS, which type of in Azure, which type is in Google Cloud. Okay, all will be similar. I will help you out to create a Google Cloud account. I will help you out to create a AWS account as well. Okay, and we will learn everything into the AWS and Google Cloud. Someone here who want to learn little bit Azure as well, you can create a Azure account with yourself. Okay, if you face any problem, I will help you out, or everything you can compare it and learn on the Azure as well. Someone who is really 8 to 10 years experience, he want to come into all the clouds, yes, you are very welcome to do that part as well. But I will be always into the Amazon, my primary. Okay, 70% things will be here, 30% things will be here. Okay, it will be like that. Okay, cool, all good.
Because Salesforce also is
No.
leading, right?
No,
Nowadays.
sorry, no. See, Salesforce, big data, machine learning, I cannot teach everything. Okay. No, straightforward, no.
No, we can try on our own, right?
Obviously, whatever you want, you can try it. Okay. If you will create a AWS or Google Cloud account, all the services you will get it for sure. Okay. Here, whatever Salesforce, big data, machine learning, everything is here. Okay. Where is that? I will show you. Big data, big table, database migration, everything is here. Okay. Whatever I have mentioned into the syllabus, I will teach that only. Okay. And some more services I will choose. Means we will decide it. I will decide with you, and we will learn that part as well. Okay. Means 1 or 2 extra services or extra things I will teach to you, but I will not go anywhere else. Okay. Because majority of people really want to come for the cloud and DevOps learning. Okay. But you have the account, you whatever you want, you can go into anywhere and you can learn it by own. All good, guys? At the end of this course, which type of application we are going to create it? One is CI/CD. One is completely e-commerce website, which is very similar to the Flipkart. Another one is a 3-tier application. Okay. This is a very common application which you will see in your company. What exactly the 3-tier is? Very first tier where the web server will be there. Okay. Means all the users requests will come from the internet, from the browser will come to the web server. Web server will take that request. App server will understand it. Means let's take an example for any of the website like Paytm. You will log in into the paytm.com. He will show some UI to you. After that, you will get an option to log in into the Paytm. With the help of login option, you will reach into the application server. Login will happen. If all succeeded, this app server will get a data from the database, and you will be running into the application server after the login, and you will get all your data into your browser from the database and the web server. So this is how I will create a one complete big application, a 3-tier application in front of you. Okay, as a real application where we will create a web server, we will create an app server, we will create a database backups, load balancer, front end, all these things, and it will be accessible from the browser. And this all things I will teach manually, plus I will teach everything with the help of Terraform as well. Okay, Terraform means you don't, otherwise if I will create it manually everything in front of you, I need a 4 hours, 5 hours, right? So I do have the Terraform code. With the help of Terraform code, I will teach everything, and in couple of minutes the complete infrastructure will be ready for us. From here we will access it and it will provide a response to us. This is what we are going to learn at the end of 47 days as well. Okay, 46 day is our e-commerce website, which is we will learn on the Kubernetes. This is we are learning on the AWS platform primarily. The practical 2, what practical 2? The project 2, okay, will be completely on Kubernetes. Okay, this I have mentioned it, web application on the Kubernetes cluster, which has a Java, Python, Go, .NET, and any other language as well. Some 5-6 languages are there. Whatever you feel at the end that you want to be your career into Python, Java, .NET, whatever it is, you will get an understanding for the big picture. You can make it, but no coding, no programming is required. I will give my best to teach you all the things from starting to end. This one is primarily a CI/CD, which will be a DevOps part. The DevOps engineer has to do it. As someone who is that was asking only for the CI/CD part, this project will be helpful for you, where the GitHub, Jenkins, Docker, and some remote virtual machines will be there. With the help of that, we are creating the continuous integration. We will create a continuous deployment as well, and it will work. It will deploy into some remote virtual machine as well. Hope it makes sense. All good to you?
For CI/CD part, we learned first we need to learn Java for this, because here I can see Java.
We are not the developers. Okay, if we will do the Java coding as well, what developers will do, right? We don't have to. We don't have. See, do we have opened this Hangover website code? No, right?
No.
We don't have to open the code as well. Okay. If we know the process, we will get the process from the developer, which code it is. But it will be good if you will understand something. I will give you the understanding, but you don't have to open the code as well. Okay. With the help of that thing, we will create our CI/CD pipeline. Okay. It will be good if you will open it, understand it, but it's not required at all. Okay.
Okay, fine.
And whatever
No, actually, I need this in my project.
You need it, then I will give the project. You can open it. I will also open it. I will explain the things as well. Okay.
Yeah, fine. Thank you.
Good. Yeah, guys. This is for the demo. Okay. The big picture I have shown you. Okay. And I hope I have taken care for the day-2 things as well. Servers, data center, before cloud, virtualization, cloud computing, introduction to the cloud, public cloud, hybrid cloud, and all these things. Cloud computing models, cloud computing infrastructure, platform, software as a service, cloud computing concept, architecture, cloud services, deployment model, big picture, practical of DevOps tool, plus run Windows 11 emulator, container with the help of Docker. This is what we have seen into the today's part. And 3-tier application, front end, middleware, and back end, web server, app server, and database. This we will see. I just shown you, okay, very high level, okay, because I cannot teach everything in 1 or 2 days. I really need a time to explain all these things. This is a journey. This is not a one day or one night show, right? Hope you are very clear about the syllabus, very clear about our things.
Yeah, yes, for today.
Okay. Guys, if you have any open question, you can ask at this point with me. Go ahead, please. All clear? All doubts? Someone who is raising the hand in between, or someone has any question?
We can ask the question after repeating this again in next class, right?
Yes, obviously. At the end of the last day also, you will ask the first question. I don't have any concern. Okay. But see, my request is first listen me. Okay. Your all the doubts will clear automatically. And if you will not listen me and you will ask the question, see, I do have the answers ready already. Okay. And I have to go into the flow. Because some experienced people are also here, freshers also here. For me, everyone is very equivalent for me. Yes or no? I cannot treat fresher as a fresher that he will not able to understand. It's my responsibility to teach everything to the fresher, non-technical experience as well. And it's my responsibility that experienced people will also be happy with me. Right?
Yeah, but for this technology, everyone is fresher here.
Obviously, right? That's why you are coming to learn with me, right?
Yeah.
Cool. Yes, I agree. I absolutely agree. I know this answer, this thing. Yeah, Anvesh, what do you want to say?
Hey, Vikas, Avinash here.
Go ahead, Avinash.
So Vikas, actually, this is off the record of the whatever you are talking. So this regarding the configuration, what the configuration we actually need for in our laptop to support all the DevOps.
Okay. Cool. Guys, I don't need any configuration. Okay. You can see my laptop is also 8 GB RAM. Okay. Not very heavy laptop. Okay. You don't need anything because we are going to learn everything on the cloud itself. Okay.
Okay. So I can use my office laptop, right?
You can use it, but something it may not work as well. Okay. See, you cannot connect to the virtual machine or something like that, right? If any of the restriction will be there, that time you will be out. But see, what is my requirement? Internet connection. Every day you have to come into the class and come with the laptop. Okay. So if I will tell you to create an account, to run this command in your machine, you can do it. Okay. Some installation will be there. Primarily, we will do into the cloud. Okay. But some installation like Git, Terraform, and some CLI or Windows, or in the next class, you will get all these things. Okay. Git has to be installed locally. Okay. Terraform has to be installed locally. Some CLI has to be installed locally. That's it. Okay. Primarily 3-4 tools only need to install locally. These are very small tools. Okay. And Visual Studio Code also has to be installed in the local machine because developer install the Visual Studio Code, Java. 5 things we need to install in our local machine. And Zoom meeting, if you have installed it, it will be good. That's it.
Sure. Thanks.
Okay. Rest, your internet connection should be stable. That's it. Okay. Rest, I don't need anything else. Because we will learn everything on the cloud. That's my intention. All good?
Yeah, Vikas.
We don't need Ubuntu, right, in the system?
No, not required. We will create a virtual machine Ubuntu, right? Why we need it?
Correct.
And mobile stream is one tool. Okay, I will show it to you. Okay, this is one of the very light tool. It doesn't require installation. Okay, it's a 15 MB. You can just open it. All the servers you can open with the help of mobile stream. Okay, and I will teach you how to perform this activity. And you can run the local terminal as well, like this. Okay, what is local terminal? Local server, right?
Local server.
Local server. Here, all the Linux command you can learn it here as well. Okay, so I will show everything. You don't have to worry. Okay.
Is it we need to learn everything in Linux? This is difficult to.
It will be good if you will learn everything into the Linux, but I will compare Linux and Windows so that you can able to remember it. Okay, and it's not difficult. Okay, Linux is the most popular, most usable language into the IT, and it's more stable, performance wise very good. Developers and IT operation people's already using it. If you want to come into the operations part as well, administration, all the administration work will happen into the Linux environment. It makes sense?
Yeah.
Good. And you don't have to worry about the Linux. It's my responsibility. I will teach to you.
Because is there any difference between Putty and this mobile stream?
Putty is just providing one platform to connect to the server. Mobile stream is very wide. Lots of options are there. Okay, let me show it to you. MOBAXTREME download. Okay, if you will go into this URL, you can see here what all options are there. Here, completely free. Server, SSH. Putty is only giving the SSH part to us. Yes or no? Guys, yes or no?
Yep.
Okay, but here they are giving lots of things to us. Okay, and you want to see how much is the installation, how it is, how tough it is, just click on this place. Okay, mobile stream portable edition. I will give this URL to you all. Okay, go into this place, portable edition. Okay, it will be of 26 MB. Okay, why it's showing very long time. Okay, it will be downloadable in our machine. Okay, you have to just just unstack it. Okay, extract it and you can use it. You don't have to installation or nothing required. Okay, it's a portable edition. You don't have to install it as well. If you will download this edition, you have to install it. This edition you can directly download it, unzip it. Okay, and you can directly use it how I am using it. Okay, means 99% chance it will work in your office laptop as well. Okay, so no installation required. See, this is the exe file. Directly click on it, it will be opened. Done. All good? Anyone here who already installed it, you can share your screen and you can show it to everyone as well. How easy it is. I don't know why it's taking a time for me. Yeah, 16 seconds, 22 seconds. Let it get downloaded. Guys, anyone who downloaded already in your machine? Okay, guys, no worries. I will teach you everything. It's just a very high level things for you guys at this point. What else? Any other open question?
Hi Vikas, Ranjan here.
Yeah, Ranjan, go ahead.
So Vikas, you have created new VM on which you had hosted website, right? So how long that VM will be active in freeware account?
It will be active for AWS. It will be active for 1 year. In GCP, it will be for 3 months.
Okay, and that VM was derived from the server, right? Data center, which is located in the data center, right?
Correct. Yes, obviously.
Okay, and from where that compute nodes are coming, like when we were doing that scaling up activity, right? So there we moved on from 2 GB RAM to 4 GB, right? So in the drop down, you were having several options like EC2 standard, something like that.
Correct.
So from where those all options are coming, and who is creating those computes?
See, who is creating? Definitely AWS people, Google Cloud people have created that part. Okay, they are creating the options for us. Okay, and we are the DevOps engineer. We are choosing as per our requirement.
Okay. And it may happen at some point of time, we won't be getting any kind of options in the drop down, right? Let's say
No.
the resource is fully occupied, utilized.
No, never. It will never happen. Okay. If this thing happens, they are already aware, they will bring a new data center. Okay.
Okay. And what was that EC2? Is that the name of the server or what?
EC2 is nothing but a virtual machine, very similar to the Google virtual machine. Or EC2 is elastic compute virtual machine. It is okay, and it will be very similar. Let me show it to you. I'm going into the Google Cloud. Okay, this is I'm in the EC2 instance. Okay, launch instance. Okay, means launch a virtual machine. Okay, I have to choose what we can say. I have to choose an operating system, how much CPU and memory. I have to click into this place, and as soon as I click launch without key pair, I'm just choosing it and I'm launching the instance, and my virtual machine is ready. Okay, this is a virtual machine creation in AWS as well. Okay, it is pending, it will be ready in some couple of seconds.
Are you sharing your screen?
I'm sharing my screen.
Okay, then maybe some issue with my
guys, I'm sharing my screen, right? You are able to, others are able to, right?
We can see that.
Okay, some issue with my Zoom then.
Yes, and see, virtual machine has been created, it is ready. Okay, not a difference. Okay, if we know the trick, we know anything, we can do anything.
Okay, thank you.
Guys, whoever is really interested to join us, please ping me on the WhatsApp. Okay, it will be great. I will save your number and we will be connected in the next class as well. Okay, next class is on Saturday 11 a.m. We will go for the day 3, and in the very high level we will see all the DevOps tools into this class. Okay, so that you will get a very big picture what all these tools, what is the use of this tool, how to installation will happen into your local machine or in your cloud. Okay, this is what we will see it, and then we will start our actual journey Linux. For the next some couple of days we will learn Linux, then we will come into the AWS, and then the so on, it will go so on like that.
So Vikas, is it okay if we pin in a chat, I mean that group we have created, or one-to-one?
Anything is fine, no worries. Okay, if you are interested, it's just done, right? Correct. Ping me one-to-one, it will be great. Okay, why you want to inform to everyone? Right, we want to what we can say, yeah, why you want to disturb to everyone, right? All good?
Because also along with the recording, you'll share the PPT as well,
obviously,
right, for the
yes,
notes?
obviously, yes.
Okay.
This all PPT, whatever I'm showing it, I will download it like this. Okay, go download as a PDF, and I will upload this PDF into the drive.
So for day 2, by 8 p.m. will be done, right? Today.
I will see if you guys will register to us. I will definitely give it to you. Not for every free members.
Yes,
it's a private materials, right?
Correct.
Correct, good. Okay, guys. Any other question? Let me know. Else we are done for the today. Hope you have enjoyed it. You understood. You learned something new, or you saw something new. Any comment? Any feedback? No comment, no feedback.
Great session, Vikas.
Okay.
Great session, actually. Yeah.
Cool. Okay. Is my speed was fast or fast, slow, all good, manageable, understandable?
Not like that. Like today's like we saw overall picture view. It's like we did many things in brain, so I don't know how the going forward classes will be.
See, it will be like that only. Okay, you don't have to. If you feel that it's fast, you can let me know. You can raise your hand, tell him that we are not able to understand. Be slow, like that. Not a problem. I'm a human being, right? It's not a recorded video. Correct? Make sense?
Yep.
And whatever any problem you feel or face, okay, let me know. I will fix it. I will try my best to fix that part. Cool, guys. That's it for today. Thank you. Thanks for joining.
Thank you.
Cool.
Thank you.
Okay. Please register, okay, so that I will get a real count, how much real people are joining to us. Okay, and we will start our journey accordingly. Okay.
Sure.
Cool. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Yes, bye.
Thank you.
Good. Guys, still any of the open question which I haven't given the answer into the chat or anything, you can ping me anytime. I will give the answers. Okay. Thank you guys. Bye bye. I'm closing this session.
Bye, Vikas.
Bye.